Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the FreshBooks mileage tracker. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks account, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? First, launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once you get into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to use the FreshBooks mileage tracker. Now, you can use the FreshBooks mileage tracker in the FreshBooks application itself, the mobile application and not the web application. All right, so every time your car moves in the name of business, it's an expense you claim at tax time. Now, FreshBooks mileage tracking automatically logs each trip and also saves your travel history. Now, you can track for free over there. Now, you have the more organized while you're on the road. The last thing you need is paper trips log, so easily swipe your screen to classify your trip as business or personal. Then send a mileage report directly to your mail or download it from FreshBooks. Now, this is how to use it. Let's show you how it works. The FreshBooks mileage tracker app keeps a record of every time you drive a vehicle for a business, whether it's purchasing work supplies or meeting clients. Now, the mileage is logged, so it can then be submitted with your tax return for a tax deduction or reimbursement at a cost of running your business. Now, you can set up your mileage tracker by clicking the try the new mileage tracking button from your dashboard. That's a dashboard of your FreshBooks mobile application. You're going to see the try the new mileage tracking. Now, you can also tap the more button from your dashboard. Now, the more button is at the bottom right corner of your FreshBooks mobile app homepage. So tap the more button at the bottom right and then select the mileage tracking option. Now, you'll be prompted to turn on location services, for which you can select allow while using app. Now, you can read more about how to adjust your settings to use the mileage tracker here. Now, once you've enabled automatic mileage tracking, the trips will appear in the on review trips tab. Now, you can mark each trip as personal or business. Now, this is how it works, and this is how to use the mileage tracker. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.